Hi folks, welcome to BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Mary. I would like to show you a 2021 Roadtrek Chase. Now, the reason why these vans are so popular is because they can go anywhere. You can park it in a grocery store parking lot. You can park it in your driveway. They're really so small and compact, they can go anywhere. This one in particular has a bike rack in the back. So you got your bikes, and I'll show you some of the special features inside. So come on inside. So here we are inside. As you can see, you've got this great screen here that will actually come all the way down, and you've got an opening right here, and this magnetized strip just goes right back. So when it's completely down, there's a great opening. You don't have to unzip it each time. So then we've got our seats, and there is a little dinette area right here. So these seats will swivel, and that way you can have like a little place to eat. This is our bathroom here. A sink, this is a wet bath, and a toilet. And this is one of my favorite features here in this particular van. This is an amazing amount of storage. So it's a whole pantry. You can put spices and canned goods in there. Very smart. And we've got this really big, this is an oversized drawer here. Lots of pots and pans can fit in there. Really good sized refrigerator. You can see that. And a freezer up top. And now in the Roadtrek, in the Chase, you've got separate sleeping areas. So that way you can easily get out and go to the bathroom, and it opens to the back. So if you have a paddleboard or something large that you want to fit in here, you can do that really easily. These beds also recline up. So you've got your TV right here, so it's like a little lounging area. And then if we come over here, we've got our induction cooktop, and then you have your sink. So this is a great unit. It's really, you know, it's got everything that you need in it. Your control panel is right up here, easily accessible. So yeah, my name is Mary. Please reach out to me. I'd love to visit with you. 406-850-4590. Have a great day.